time this year, dude. Unbelievable. What a run for the 19 car. I'm going to tell you, if you would manage 6 wins without all the breakdowns, the DNFs, and the missed week, you would be right up there competing for a championship with Bentley and Walters. It's got to make you feel like a rock star heading into 2014.
Yeah, you know what? Up and down here for sure. Car's been awesome. We're confident. We're a confident race team. Yeah, we know what we got. And congrats to Mike here. That was an awesome season. Big championship win. A lot of tough cars here. So congrats to those guys. And yeah, next year's next year. You never know. We still have some more racing this year to go.
What's the plan for the rest of 2013 heading into the playoff season for this this Queensville Sod Matco Tools number 19?
You know what? We'll be here for Velocity. It's still in one piece. So we've been kind of a week-by-week race team this year. If we have a car to run, we'll be racing it. So Velocity, autumn colors, bring it on.
If you have to come through the field in this number 19 car, are you going to be able to pick your way through the pack?
Yeah, I think so. A little bit of tweak here and there, and definitely, I think that we have a car. It's a front-running car for sure this year. It's been good. I don't know if we can drive around everybody, but if we get a few bounces going our way, I think we've got a chance to win some races.
Go ahead and thank the people to make all this possible.
Yeah, sponsors have been huge this year. Like you said, Queensville Sod, Matco Tools, LaRue's Haulage, Carrot Express, Speedy Auto Machine, Newmarket, all the crew, they've been awesome. All the fans, appreciate it. It's been an awesome year, guys. And yeah, just a big thanks to Sunset Speedway in general. It's been a great time.
So you have it, YouTube. Jason Bam Bam Woody back in 2014.
Six time.
Back in 2014, racing for a championship. Make some noise for the 19.